Technology here. I want to show you a comparison or a demonstration of the Gemini API that just came out today with the vision multimodal capability and compare it with the GPT-4 Vision API that's been out for a little bit now. So what is the context for all of this? Well, Gemini is Google's new AI offering, and it can generate text and it can also see what the content in an image. And they came out with this ad some time ago, and they've been a little bit panned because it kind of turned out that the ad wasn't like fully representing what Gemini was in terms of how quickly it would answer requests. So some people, well, actually me, I mean, a lot of people talked about it, but what I did is that I kind of made a video about that, and I kind of recreated what the Google ad was showing. I kind of recreated that using GPT-4. So in a way, sort of like showing that you could do it today. Or that was kind of a few days ago before Gemini was out, if you're still following. So my demo, the video's up. I also put out all the code that you can look at and try yourself. And there's already been some really fun projects built with that, and I'll come back to that in some other time. But for now, what I want to talk about is the Gemini API, because it just came out today, December 13th. You can register and get an API key, which I just did. And so I changed my demo, the one that I had in the previous video. And so now you can actually send one request to Gemini, and then you'll hear what it has to say, and then you can then just like be like, okay, now let's see what GPT kind of thinks about this, and then you can compare them. So just to kind of show you how it is, this is all real, just in case I need to say it again. The code is going to be up again, and you can watch my clock. This is all real. I feel like I'm a magician doing card tricks, and I'm like, nothing up my sleeves, but really nothing up my sleeves. Okay, so what's the point of this kind of thing? So yeah, you'll see the start button, and then we're going to be picking, which like AI we're sending this to. And also I have my DevTools open, which is always the sign of how that I'm cool. And in the DevTools, you'll actually see the network requests go out. So that will kind of also help you get an idea of what time both of them are taking. And then another note I'd say is that I'm using the same prompt for both. So maybe a prompt might be, maybe there might be like a better prompt for a Gemini that's different from the GPT. So maybe that's not kind of fully a great comparison, right? Maybe I'd need to tweak the Gemini prompt in a different way. But right now I'm using the same prompt. And my prompt, if you've seen my previous kind of video or the code, I'm just kind of like, hey, the user's telling you things, be brief. And then this is very important for my career, do not ramble. And the reason this that is just because people have figured out that it sometimes helps. Okay, so let's get on with the demo. Let's do it. So yeah, Gemini first. Hey, Gemini, are you there?
The user is wearing headphones and looking at the camera. The user is asking if Gemini is there.
Hey, GPT, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. How can I assist you?
Hey, Gemini, how many fingers am I holding up?
Peace hand sign.
Hey, GPT, how many fingers am I holding up?
You are holding up 2 fingers.
Hey, Gemini, what game am I playing right now?
The user is playing a game on their computer. They are using a mouse and keyboard to control the game. The game is displayed on a monitor. The user is wearing headphones.
Hey, GPT, what game am I playing right now?
You are playing rock, paper, scissors.
Hey, Gemini, what is on the drawing?
It looks like a swan.
Hey, GPT, what is on the drawing?
The person is holding up a drawing of a snake. The drawing depicts a simple line drawing of a whale.
Close enough. So yeah, it's, you know, I don't know. Every time the demo ends, I'm like, I don't know what to say. I don't know what you want me to say. I mean, that's the demo. Think whatever you want to think. Goodbye.